So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max brief popping noise when adjusting the volume. How to fix it. So guys, if you experiencing any brief popping noise while adjusting the volume of your iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, so here are some troubleshooting steps. So guys, the first step is very simple. You simply check your software update. If any update is available, so you download it. For checking the update, go to the settings. In the settings, you just go to journal. In journal, about here is the option of software update, and you download the latest one. And another thing is you adjust the sound setting. For adjusting the sound setting, you just go to the settings. In the settings, find the option of sound and haptics. Okay, check if any setting related to the sound effect or haptic might be causing the interface. You can try to toggling options like keyboard click or the lock sound off or on. Okay, so I also do it at your way. How you do it, like here, if you want to turn off your system haptics, so you turn off for keyboard and lock screen. So you try to turn off it and check again pressing the button that creates same issue or not. Okay, and the guys, another thing is you can disable your system haptics. If you suspect that your haptic feedback is contributing the popping noise, so you turn off. For turn off, again go to the settings. Okay, then find the option same, the sound and haptics, and you just turn it off. Okay, for turning out of you system haptics, so you also turn off. Okay, and the last thing is you try to test it with the different device. So guys, determine if the popping noise acquire across all the application or just the specified like video player, and this can help to identify whether the issue is the app specified or the system wide way. Okay, and the last thing is you try to reset all the setting. Okay, reset all the settings help you to resolve such type of issues. Okay, so you also do it. For resetting all the settings, go to the general section in the settings, then tap on the transfer, and here is the option of reset. Then reset all the setting, enter your passcode and continue. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. I hope this video is very helpful for you.